I'm going to do a little walk around on this 1956 Cadillac Series 62. The levers on this for the defrost control and for the heater. Everything's cable controlled, so there's no switches up in here. Runs cables down to switches down below. What's really neat about the AC unit is it's a separate unit in the back of the vehicle. So you got your AC in the back, dual blower motors, controlled by the controller on the bottom of the dash. The heater's similar, but everything from the heater's up front, 2 heater cores, the ducting, blower control. AC vents all come out the top, which is kind of neat. And your heater comes out the floor. Very interesting design. Back in the 50s. There's your duct work for the air conditioning. Comes up the back. Goes into the roof. Kind of like being on an airplane. So under the hood you have blower motor on each side with its own heater core. So the passenger gets their own heater core and the driver gets their own heater core.